Hello, my name is David Baxter. I'm with MEC Aerial Work Platforms. I'm here today to present to you our brand new MME30 self-propelled vertical mast lift. The MME30 is the industry's only 30-foot self-propelled vertical mast lift, and it's the most economical way that you can achieve self-propelled access at 30 feet. Let me show you a little bit about this wonderful machine. It starts off with a one-person platform, and it does have a deck extension so you can roll out and reach over obstacles. The machine is powered with PMSR AC drive motors for the best efficiency you can achieve. You can work multiple shifts on one charge, and it gives you very smooth operational control. Show you a little bit about the lift. Very smooth operating controls. It has proportional up and proportional lowering, which not all machines have. So very smooth control. You can slow it up or speed it and achieve that precise positioning you need to work over the obstacles you might do. You might ask, how did we get to 30 feet? Well, one of the nice things about this machine is it has 7 mast sections, and those 7 mast sections are made of a reinforced aluminum extrusion and a strengthened chain and cable system to achieve the power and the speed necessary for lifting to 30 feet, but also being compact enough to pass through a standard single doorway without having to manipulate the guardrails. All right, when you're done working, you can just bring the deck extension back in. We have a full height entry-exit gate. 3 points of contact. The unit, as you can tell, has 5-inch wide non-marking tires, so you're not going to do any damage to floors, and that extra wide tire really reduces the floor loading that you would experience if you were working on mezzanines or into a sensitive flooring tile. All of the components are well protected with steel covers, which makes it fantastic for a job site. You can see we have 2 AGM sealed batteries for long life and reduced maintenance costs versus lead acid batteries that require replacement every 18 months and require water and inspection and all of that. All of the ground controls on the back, easy to access if you need to move the machine or position the machine or see your condition of your batteries. In addition, all MEC mast lifts come with leak containment standard. This eliminates the need to buy aftermarket diapers or something to protect sensitive floors. It's becoming a job site requirement. And so onboard leak containment integrated with the machine, no extra cost to you. The MME30 from MEC uses a scissor lift style controller. It's a new controller, the P750. It has a large screen, and it gives you a lot of information about the machine status, whether you're in lift or drive or how much battery you have left. And it's a simple selection between drive mode and lift mode and slow speed, or it would default to a high speed based on how far you press the drive lever. It's proportional control.